All right, we are on page 251, and we are practicing our teen numbers, and we are identifying what these teen numbers are. Remember, let's write all of our teen numbers. Our teen numbers always have 110 and at least 1 1. 110 and 2 ones, 110 and 3 ones. What is this number? 13. What is this number? 12. What is this number? 11. So 11, 12, 13. These are all teen numbers. All teen numbers have at least 110 and some ones. Here's 110 and 4 ones, which is 14, 110 and 5 ones, which is 6. 110 and 5 ones is 15. 110 and 6 ones is 16. 110 and 7 ones is 17. 110 and 8 ones is 18. 110 and 9 ones is 19. So our teen numbers always have at least one group of 10 and some ones. It could be 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, all the way up to 9 ones. So we're looking at the example and it says show 17. 17 is 110 and 7 ones. So here they have what? Right, they have a group of 10, and how many ones do they have colored in? Look at this. Remember, just like 5 fingers, just like the top part of our 10 frame, 5, 6, 7. So 10 plus 7 equals, if I go like this, first you make a T, then you make an O. O2 is written with a T and then an O, 2, 2. So I have our 10s and our 1s in our T graph. We have 1 10 and 7 ones. What is our number? 17. Good job. Here it says show 18. Here we have how many? One group of 10. It's not one. It's one group of 10. 10 and how many is this? 5, 6, 7, 8. So these ones are not colored in, right? 110 and 8 ones. So we have 10 plus 8 equals 18. Here we have show 16. I have 110 and how many ones? These ones are not colored in. I'm going to cross those out. Just like 5 fingers, 5, count on 6. So we have 10 plus how many ones? 6 equals, so we have 6 ones, 16. Good job. Okay, we are moving on to page 252, lesson 11, session 3, and we are understanding teen numbers. So here it says color and write the ones. Show 19. So remember, every time I write, you write. Okay, so we have one group. These are our 10s. These are our ones. When we have teen numbers, every time we have a teen number, we have 1 10 and some 1. So let's write our teen numbers. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Those are our teen numbers. Those are the only teen numbers there are. So show 19. Here we have one group of 10. And how many ones should we have? 110 and 9 ones, right? So we should have the value of 10, which is this 10 stick, and 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new line, 6, 7, 8, 9. I like it when you copy and write what I write. So 10 plus 9, this is expanded form. 10 plus 9 equals 19. So 9 ones is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this one we are not using 1, 10, and 9 ones. All right, remember, every time I write, you write. This is going to help you when you get into those bigger grades. When you go to take those big, huge tests, you're going to have all the evidence that you were ever asked for on your paper. So let's make a T-graph. Here we have 13. First you make a T, then you make an O. 2 is written with a T and then an O. 2, 2. So we have our T chart and our number is 13. What is the value of that 1 right there? What is that value? That value is 10. 10. And what is the value of the ones place? The value of the ones place is 3. So we have 10 plus 3, which is expanded form. Now we're going to write it in standard form. 110 and 3 ones is 13. This is our standard form, is the normal way of writing it. Standard form right here, 13. So 110, circle that 10, and 1, 2, 3 ones, right? And we're not coloring in the rest of them. 110 and 3 ones is 13. Okay, down here it says show 15. Let's make our T-graph. Over here, let's make our T-graph. And we have 10s and 1s. First you make a T, then you make an O. 2 is written with a T and then an O. 2, 2. So we have 10s and 1s, 10s and 1s. Here it says show 15. We know that T numbers always have 1 10 and some 1. So here it says 5 ones, 1 10 and 5 ones. The value is 10 plus how many ones? 5. So here we would color in, ooh, look at that, one side of a 10 frame, which is just like 5 fingers, right? 110 and 5 ones is 15. 110 and 5 ones. Here it says show 12. Here we've got, oops, 12. 110, 2 ones. The value of that 110 or that number 1 is a 10 stick and 1, 2 ones. 10 plus 2 equals 12. 12. 1, 2 ones. 110 and 2 ones is 12. Here it says look at 15 and 12. What is the same? Well, let's make our T-graph. Here we have 10s. There were 10 in the bed, and the little one said T-E-N, T-E-N. So we have 10s, and we have 1s. 1 finger, 1 thumb, keep moving. Oh, and he keep moving. Oh, and he keep moving. We'll spell number 1. So we have 10s, and we have 1s. And it says, what is the same about them? Well, let's see. Let's write 15 in our T-graph. 15. Now let's write 12 in our T-graph. 12. What is the same? Is the 110 and the 110 the same? Or is the 5 ones and the 2 ones the same? Let's circle what is the same. It says, what is the same? Circle. Well, we circled it here. Is the 10 the same or is the 1s the same? Well, I see a number 1 in the number 15 and a number 1 in the number 12, but it's asking what is the same. Is it the tens place that's the same, the one group of 10, or is it a number 1? There is a number 1. They are trying to trick us. But if we look at our place value word, it says tens. So there's 110 that is the same. It is not the one. Don't let them trick you. If you write tens and ones above it, you will be able to figure it out. Here it says, what is different? Circle. Let's get a different color up here. I'm going to circle it with blue. Okay, what is different? Well, the tens are not different, right? Those are not different. The ones are different, right? There are 5 ones and there are 2 ones. The ones place is what is different. Let's count backwards from 20, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.